The hidden mini-album by Tinig ng Bayan is a masterpiece. Officially titled Electric Sound Waves, insiders also refer to it as Ano Ang Oras. It is a true work of art. Critics call the nearly 30-minute album unconventional and surprising. It includes 7 original songs, or rather 8 pieces, but the first and last track are the same, identical lyrics, but presented in a refreshing and surprising second version. Tinig ng Bayan seems to love this concept. Even in their first album, they began and ended with the same song in 2 different versions. Rumor has it, this curious but unique tradition symbolizes life itself, a cycle that begins and ends at the same point, yet transformed. Overall, it's fair to say that this album is deeply Filipino. With its diversity and genre-blending styles, it forms a bold and brilliant bridge between traditional and modern music. The lyrics and themes reflect a deep connection to roots and heritage, while also playfully exploring modern, critical, and even futuristic topics. Allegedly, the idea for this extraordinary album was born from a glitch in the Matrix, an artifact in the machine. While experimenting with AI-generated vocals and instruments, an unexplained phenomenon occurred. Original voices and lyrics emerged, partly in unknown languages, symbols, and numbers. An artifact, a shadow in the machine, as if the computer had suddenly gained consciousness and started generating its own ideas. This phenomenon, also called Ghost in the Shell, became the inspiration for this album. Tinig ng Bayan had originally been working on traditional music with historical lyrics, but the incident inspired them to dive deep into composition and create something completely new. The album Electric Sound Waves by Tinig ng Bayan is undoubtedly one of those artistic music projects that must be experienced as a whole. It tells a story, conveys a mood, and only through its full structure do the songs form a complete concept. This concept can only be understood when the album is experienced without interruption. I don't know if it's better to listen with your eyes closed or to pay attention to the visual concept, which is simple but purposeful. Perhaps the best way is to do both. Listen with your eyes closed, then watch with eyes open. We can only recommend it and wish you much enjoyment.
Ang nakatagong mini-album ng Tinig ng Bayan ay isang tunay na obra maestra. Sa opisyal, ang pamagat nito ay Electric Sound Waves, pero sa mga tagaloob, kilala rin ito bilang Ano Ang Oras. Isa itong tunay na likhang sining. Tinatawag ng mga kritiko itong kakaiba at nakakagulat. Halos 30 minuto ang haba ng album. May 7 orihinal na kanta o 8 kung bibilangin mo ang parehong una at huling track na may parehong lyrics ngunit sa ibang anyo, bago at nakakagulat. Mukhang gustong-gusto ng Tinig ng Bayan ng ganitong estilo. Kahit sa kanilang unang album, nagsimula at nagtapos sila sa parehong kanta, pero magkaibang bersyon. Sinasabing ang kakaibang tradisyong ito ay sumisimbolo sa buhay. Isang siklo na nagsisimula at nagtatapos sa parehong punto, ngunit sa bagong anyo. Sa pangkalahatan, masasabi natin nang may kumpiyansa na ang album na ito ay tunay na Filipino. Sa kanyang iba't ibang estilo at pagsasanib ng tradisyonal at modernong tunog, nagtatayo ito ng isang natatanging tulay sa pagitan ng nakaraan at hinaharap ng musika. Maging ang mga liriko ay nagpapakita ng malalim na koneksyon sa kultura at ugat ng bayan, habang matapang ding tinatalakay ang mga modernong tema, kritikal na issue at maging mga ideyang panghinaharap. Ayon sa balita, ang ideya para sa album na ito ay nagmula sa isang glitch sa Matrix, isang artepakto sa makina. Habang sinusubukan ng banda ang AI-generated na mga boses at tunog, biglang lumitaw ang isang kakaibang pangyayari, mga bagong boses at lyrics, minsan sa di malinaw na wika, mga simbolo at mga numero, isang artepakto, isang anino sa makina. Parang naging buhay ang computer at nagsimulang gumawa ng sariling ideya. Tinatawag din itong Ghost in the Shell at dito nagmula ang inspirasyon ng album. Noong una, nakatuon ang Tinig ng Bayan sa paggawa ng tradisyonal na musika at makasaysayang mga kanta. Ngunit dahil sa kakaibang insidenteng ito, lalong lumalim ang kanilang paglikha at tuluyang nakabuo ng bago't kakaibang obra. Ang album na Electric Sound Waves ng Tinig ng Bayan ay isang artistikong proyekto na dapat pakinggan ng buo. Isa itong kwento, isang karanasan, isang kabuuang konsepto na naiintindihan lamang kapag pinakinggan mula simula hanggang dulo. Hindi ko alam kung mas mainam bang pakinggan ito ng nakapikit o pagmasdan din ang video na simple pero may kahulugan. Siguro ang pinakamainam ay gawin pareho. Pakinggan ito ng nakapikit at panoorin ng nakadilat. Lubos naming inirerekomenda ito at naway mag-enjoy kayo ng lubusan.